some of the water in the river.
What? You can do the
Just think about that on your last race.
Videoing, right?
Nice job, way to go, nice job, way to go. Way to go, nice job. How was it, good? You happy with your end result? Oh, you haven't raced? You're racing now? All right, good luck. Good luck, good luck. How was it, good? Were you happy? Nice job, way to go. I was happy for you. That's all that matters, right? All right, race number 18, lane 1, Etna's Weta. Cyient, lane 2. HSB Cyient Dragons, Mayor Cigarro's Dragon Boat Team in lane 4. Lane 5, Etna's Release the Kraken. What? What did he say?
Come on, Cyient.
You know, at least I can rely on this one lady. This lady, she's always laughing at my material. I love it. Thank God she's here. I keep looking over at her. She's having the best time. Videotaping, laughing, getting a little suntan, right? I'm taking you to the beach with me when we're all done, all right? You and I, we're going. All right, here we go. Race number 18, coming down the race course. Semifinal E Division, lane 1, Etna's Weta. Lane 2, Cyient. Lane 3, HSB Cyient Dragons. Lane number 4, Mayor Cigarro's Dragon Boat Team. Lane number 5, Etna's Release the Kraken. Here they come. Too early to call at the halfway mark, but they look like they're all lined up pretty close. On the outside, Etna's Release the Kraken. Starting to pull away. On the inside now, Etna's Weta, they're not going to let them get away. It's going to be close. The middle is too tight to call. Here they come. Deborah from Mass Attack 2, your team is lonely without you. Deborah from Mass Attack 2, they are crying, gone through a whole box of tissues. They miss you. On the outside, here they come. Lane number 5, Etna's Release the Kraken. Followed by lane number 3, HSB Cyient Dragons. Lane number 1 now, pull it up. Etna's Weta. Here they come. Lane number 3, HSB Cyient Dragons. Trying to pull in. Lane 2 now making a move. Cyient. Woo! All right, great job. That was race number 18.